Ever tried juggling an iPad and a laptop while balancing a cup of coffee? It's like a circus act gone wrong. We've all been there, right? Shuffling between devices, trying to decide which is best for what task. One moment you're typing away on your laptop, the next you're swiping on your iPad, and all the while your coffee's growing cold. It's a tech tango that's enough to make anyone dizzy. But what if I told you there's a way to escape this juggling act? Enter the new iPad Pro, the device that's supposedly a laptop in an iPad's clothing. And this is not your everyday tablet. Oh no, this is the iPad Pro, the heavyweight contender in the ring of tech gadgets, ready to throw down with any traditional laptop out there. Let's start with the brains of the operation, the M1 chip. This is not just a chip, it's a powerhouse that brings speed and performance to the iPad Pro, making it faster than a cheetah on roller skates. It's the same chip that powers some of the latest Macs, so we're talking serious horsepower here. Then there are the enhanced apps tailored to take full advantage of that M1 chip. These aren't just your regular apps, they're super apps ready to handle complex tasks with ease. Whether you're editing a 4K video or designing a 3D model, it's like having a team of superheroes in your tablet ready to tackle any task you throw at them. And let's not forget the accessories. The Magic Keyboard, the Apple Pencil. These aren't just add-ons, they're game changers. They transform the iPad Pro from a simple tablet into a versatile machine that can rival any laptop. But wait, there's more. The iPad Pro boasts superior display that will make your eyes weep with joy. And the camera capabilities, they're so good, you'll be tempted to ditch your DSLR. Plus, with storage options that go up to 2 terabytes, you'll have more space than a mansion for all your files and apps. What sets the iPad Pro apart is its versatility and portability. It's like having a laptop, a sketchpad, a cinema screen, and a game console all rolled into one sleek device. It's your office, your studio, your entertainment hub, and your gaming station all in one. So is the iPad Pro a laptop replacement, or is it just an iPad on steroids? Now, I know what you're thinking. Can this sleek piece of tech really replace the good old laptop? And who could blame you for wondering? After all, we're talking about a device that's been the heartbeat of productivity for decades. But let's consider the iPad Pro for a moment. It's a powerhouse of performance, boasting that M1 chip that has been turning heads and breaking records. It's like having a sports car engine in a bicycle frame. And we're not just talking raw power here. We're talking that's efficient too, ensuring you have enough juice to get through your workday or a binge-watching marathon with room to spare. And then there's the portability. The iPad Pro is lightweight, sleek, and ready to go wherever you go. It's like having your office, your cinema, your gaming station, and your art studio all bundled up in one compact package. And let's not forget that crisp, vibrant display that makes everything look so darn good. As for versatility, the iPad Pro is like a chameleon. It adapts to your needs. Need to type out a long email, pair it with a keyboard, need to sketch out a design, grab the Apple Pencil. It's a device that doesn't just do what you want, it does it the way you want. But can it truly replace a laptop? Well, that depends on you. If you're a power user who needs specific software, or if you love the feel of a traditional keyboard under your fingers, then maybe not. But if you're someone who values portability, versatility, and powerful performance, then the iPad Pro is a serious contender. Well, the jury is still out on that one, but one thing's for sure, the iPad Pro is not just another tablet. Ready to trade your laptop for an iPad Pro? A question once unthinkable today is a legitimate query. The new iPad Pro isn't just a tablet, it's a game changer, like possessing a Swiss Army knife in your tech arsenal, a tool for work, a device for play, and everything in between. Imagine working on a presentation on the go and suddenly feeling the urge to binge watch your favorite show. No need to switch devices, just switch apps, or editing a video while video calling your team. Not multitasking, life on an iPad Pro In this fast-paced world, convenience is what's more convenient than a single device performing multiple functions. Plus, consider the desk space you'll save, like an office spring cleaning without effort. The iPad Pro could be the device you never knew you needed. Why not give it a shot? After all, escaping the juggling act is desirable.